In this video, we'll teach you how to manage two companies using one set of sales process groups so that your sales process groups don't become unmanageable. First, we're going to create a quick group of each company by going to the Preferences. We'll choose Groups on the left, and we'll add a new group. We'll put it under the header Quick Groups, and we'll call this one Company A. Now we'll add another one for Company B. And we'll give this one a color as well. Since I like to have my groups organized, I'm going to move Company A up above Company B in the group list. So now what we see in our groups, we've got our set of sales process groups, which are going to be common for both sets of contacts, whether they're in Company A or Company B. So no matter what I'm working through them with, I'm going to just use the one set of sales process groups. So we'll go back to the contacts so that I can show you how that's done. Here we see all of our contacts. Some of them are already grouped. But what I'm going to do is use my Select Group feature on the left side and find my contacts that are not in any group. These are the ones that I'll use for my demonstration here. So Robert, Jenna, and Naomi, I'm going to imagine are part of the company. I'm working through them with Company A. So I'm going to choose to add them to groups and add them to the Company A group. Jimmy, Francine, and Brian are part of Company B. So I'm going to choose Add to Groups and add them to the Company B group. I'm going to uncheck the contacts not in any groups and now go and work with the people in Company A. So Robert and Jenna, I'm going to imagine are in my Shown Product Sales Process group. So I'm going to click Add to Groups and move them to Shown Product. And Naomi, I'm going to imagine is in the Interested in Business group. So I'm going to add her to the Interested in Business group. You'll notice right away that they lose the green color, but that's because, like you know in Oprius, if a contact's in more than one group, it always assumes the color of the highest group on the list, and sales process groups are higher than these. But since I've selected Company A, these are only showing me contacts that are in the Company A group. Let's go ahead and do the same for my Company B contacts. I'll put Jimmy and Francine in the Shown Product group as well, and we'll take Shelley and we'll put her, for example, in the Presented Business group, just to make things a little bit different. Sorry, we're taking Brian. Okay, perfect. So now we've got these contacts. They're in multiple groups, and here's a problem that some people might run into. If I uncheck Company B and I say, show me people who are shown product, and I want to see people shown product and in Company A, you'll notice that when you select Company A as well, this group list gets bigger. And that's because it's showing everybody who's either in Company A or is in shown product. It's showing both sets of groups. If I want to see people that are in both those groups at the same time, I need to go down here to the bottom of the group list and select Show Contacts who are in all selected groups. What that does is this now shows me in this list people that are part of Company A and shown product. If I want to see people that are part of Company A and Interested in Business, I'll just uncheck the shown product now and select Interested in Business. If I want to now take a look at my Company B contacts, I'll uncheck the Company A, select Company B, and I can see that there are no people in Company B who are interested in business. But I can go ahead and check if there's anybody shown product, for example, and we can see Jimmy and Francine that we moved there before. So the important thing to note here is this little Show Contacts who are in option on the left-hand side. So whenever you want to see people that are in all the groups, you want to select this here, and you can really easily navigate to manage two different companies using the same set of sales process groups by using this feature at the bottom of the group list to show people that are in all selected groups. This way you don't end up with a huge sales process list. We see some people that they'll create a shown product Company A, shown product Company B, and that can just become quite unmanageable and quite difficult to organize. At the same time, if I just want to see all my contacts who I've presented business to, I just uncheck Company B. In this example, Brian is the only person there, but let's take a look at shown product. These are all my people who I've shown product to. If I want to see who's shown product and in Company A, since I've already selected the all selected groups down here, I just select Company A. If I want to check those that are shown product and in Company B, I uncheck A and have a look at B. So that's a quick tutorial on how you can use the all selected groups feature in Oprius to manage two companies from the same set of sales process groups.